In this video, I'll show you how to create or switch a FinUp account. Firstly, go to your App Store or Google Play Store. Search for FinUp and download the app on your device. Once the download is complete, tap on the FinUp icon to open the app. On the welcome screen, you'll see an option to sign up. Tap on it to begin the registration process. Now you'll be prompted to enter your personal details such as full name, address, and phone number. After filling, tap Next. Create a secure password for your FinUp account. Make sure it's a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Confirm it, and FinUp will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Enter it to confirm your account, and now you're ready to set up your profile on FinUp. Upload the profile picture and choose your preferences. And all you have to do now is top up your account on FinUp. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.